Good night, engines. This book has beautiful pictures, large and small, and it's the perfect calming and relaxing bedtime story, especially if you like engines.
Good night, engines. Locomotive, whistle, whine. Engine thunders down the line. Sunset glowing in the west. Engine slowing, wheels at rest. Trucks with 18 wheels below, mighty engines in a row. Neon truck stop up ahead, big rigs rolling off to bed. Jumbo jet plane cleared to land. Downward roaring turbo fan. Wheels on runway in a rush, grinding, stopping, resting, hush. Fire engine, work is done. To the station, end of run. Scrubbed down hoses, shiny chrome. Silent engine, safe at home. Cars are creeping homeward bound. In the city, in the town. Engines humming, stop and park. Quiet, resting, almost dark. All the engines slumber deep. Close your eyes and go to sleep. Turn off motor, switch off light. Tired engine. Say good night.